Hello students, in this video we are going to solve square root of 1 minus x square plus 1 bracket whole power 5 plus square root of 1 minus x square minus 1 bracket whole power 5 and divide by square root of 1 minus x square, and this is equals to 152 divided by 9, and here x belongs to real number, and here we will find out the value of x. Look carefully this expression. First, here we will apply my favorite method, that is substitution. Here if we substitute square root of 1 minus x square plus 1, this expression, if we substitute this expression is equals to a, and this expression, that is square root of 1 minus x square minus 1, this is equals to b. Now if we add both the expressions, let us consider this is equation number first and this is equation number second. If we add, then in left hand side this plus 1 and this minus 1 is cancel out. Then here 2 times square root of 1 minus x square, this is equals to a plus b. And here if we divide both sides 2, then in left hand side square root of 1 minus x square, this is equals to a plus b over 2. If we subtract equation number second from first, then we get a minus b, this is equals to 2. If we multiplied both the equations, then a times b, this is equals to square root of 1 minus x square plus 1 and multiplied by square root of 1 minus x square minus 1. Here we will apply x plus y times x minus y, this is equals to x square minus y square. If we apply this algebraic identity, then in left hand side we have a times b, and this is equals to here square root of 1 minus x square bracket power 2 minus 1 square. Then this square is cancelled out by this square root. Then here a times b, this is equals to 1 minus x square and minus 1. Then this plus 1 and this minus 1 is cancelled out. Then a times b, this is equals to minus x square. Now this expression is replaced by a and this expression is replaced by b. Then in numerator a power 5 plus b power 5, a power 5 plus b power 5, and divide by here in denominator square root of 1 minus x square is replaced by a plus b divided by 2. Then here a plus b divided by 2, and this is equals to here 152 divided by 9. 152 divided by 9. Now this 9 is multiplied by a power 5 plus b power 5, and this is equals to this a plus b divided by 2 is multiplied by 152. Then here 152 is multiplied by a plus b over 2. Here 9 times a power 5 plus b power 5, this is equals to 152 is divided by 2, then we get 76. Then here 76 times a plus b. 9 times a power 5 plus b power 5. We know that the algebraic identity of a power 5 plus b power 5 is a plus b times a power 4 and minus a power 3 times b plus a power 2 b power 2 minus a b power 3 plus b power 4, and this is equals to 76 times a plus b. If we divide both sides a plus b, then here a plus b and here a plus b a plus b is divided by a plus b, and this a plus b and this a plus b is cancel out. Then in left hand side 9 times a power 4 minus a power 3 b plus a power 2 b power 2 minus a b power 3 plus b power 4. This is equals to 76. Here 9 times a power 4 and then write plus b power 4, and a square b square is same as 2 times a square b square minus a square b square, and then minus a power 3b and then minus a b power 3, and this is equals to 76. Here 9 times this a square is same as a power 2 bracket power 2 plus b power 4 is same as b power 2 bracket power 2 plus this 2 times a square times b square, and here look carefully, if we take common minus a times b, then here a times b plus a square plus b square, and this is equals to 76. Look carefully this expression. Here if this a square is x and this b square is y, and this a square is x and this b square is y, then x square plus y square plus 2xy, this is equals to x plus y whole square. Then 9 times this expression is replaced by a square plus b square whole square, and then minus a times b, and here a times b plus a square plus b square, and this is equals to 76. A minus b, this is equals to 2, and a into b, this is equals to minus x square. A minus b, this is equals to 2, and a into b, this is equals to minus x square. Here if we take square both side, then in left hand side a minus b whole square, this is equals to 4. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2 times ab, this is equals to 4. Then a square plus b square minus 2 times a times b is replaced by minus x square. A times b is replaced by minus x square, and this is equals to 4. Then a square plus b square minus 2 is multiplied by minus x square, then we get 2x square, and this is equals to 4. Then a square plus b square is equals to 4 minus 2x square. Now 9 times a square plus b square is replaced by 4 minus 2x square, and then whole square minus a times b is replaced by minus x square, and a times b is replaced by minus x square, plus a square plus b square is replaced by 4 minus 2x square, and this is equals to 76. Now here 9 times 4 minus 2x square bracket power 2 minus is multiplied by minus x square, then we get plus x square, and here 4 and minus x square minus 2x square, that is minus 3x square, and this is equals to 76. Here if we substitute x square, this is equals to t, then 9 times 4 minus 2t square plus t, and here 4 minus this x square is replaced by t, then 3t, and this is equals to 76. 9 times here we will apply algebraic identity a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2 times a and b, that is 2 times t, and plus t is multiplied by 4, then we get 4 times t, and this t is multiplied by minus 3t, that is minus 3t square, and this is equals to 76. Here 9 times 4 square, that is 16, plus 4 times t square, 16 plus 4 times t square, minus here 2 times 4, that is 8, 8 times 2, that is 16, 16 times t, 16 times t, and then 4 times t minus 3 times t square, plus 4 times t minus 3 times t square, and this is equals to 76. 9 times here 4 times t square minus 3 times t square is t square, and minus 16 times t plus 4 times t is minus 12 times t, and then plus 16, and this is equals to 76. This 9 is multiplied by t square, then 9 times t square. 9 is multiplied by minus 12, then we get minus 108 times t, and 9 is multiplied by 16, then we get 144, and this 76 if we take in left hand side, then here minus 76, and this is equals to 0. Then 9 times t square minus 108 times t, and here 144 minus 76, that is plus 68, and this is equals to 0. Here we will apply quadratic formula. A is equals to 9 and B is equals to minus 108 and C is equals to 68. First we will find out the value of discriminant, that is D is equals to B square minus 4 times AC, and value of B is minus 108 square minus 4 times A, that is 9, and C, that is 68, and here D is equals to minus 108 whole square, that is 11664, and minus 4 times 9, that is 36, and 36 is multiplied by 68, then we get 2448. Then D is equals to 11664 minus 2448, that is 9216. Here discriminant is positive, it means real solutions exist. Now we know that quadratic formula, that is x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of d divided by 2 times a, where d is discriminant. Now x is equals to here this quadratic equation in terms of t, so that's why this x is replaced by t, then here t and here t, minus this b is replaced by minus 108, here minus 108 plus minus square root of d is replaced by 9216 and divide by 2 times a, that is 9. Then value of t is minus is multiplied by minus 108, then we get 108 plus minus square root of 9216 is 96 divided by 18. Here two values of t, if we take positive sign, then t is equals to 108 plus 96 divided by 18, and if we take t is equals to, if we take negative sign, then value of t is 108 minus 96 divided by 18. Then here t is equals to 108 plus 96, that is 204 divided by 18. Here value of t is 34 divided by 3, and here t is equals to 108 minus 96, that is 12 divided by 18, and then t is equals to 12 divided by 18 is same as 2 divided by 3, and we know that t is equals to x square, so it means x square, this is equals to 34 divided by 3, and here x square, this is equals to 2 over 3, and the given expression is, look carefully, here square root of 1 minus x square. Here it is clear x square is less than 1, so that's why this value is rejected, because here x square is greater than 1. This value is accepted because x square is less than 1. Now x square, this is equals to 2 over 3. If we take square root both sides, then x is equals to plus minus square root of 2 divided by square root of 3. Here first value of x is square root of 2 divided by square root of 3, and second value of x is minus square root of 2 divided by square root of 3. Here if we multiply by square root of 3 and divide by square root of 3, then x is equals to square root of 6 divided by square root of 3 is multiplied by square root of 3, then we get 3. Then here first solution is square root of 6 divided by 3, and here x is equals to minus square root of 2 divided by square root of 3. If we multiply by square root of 3 in numerator and square root of 3 in denominator, then x is equals to minus square root of 2 is multiplied by minus square root of 3, then we get square root of 6, and here square root of 3 is multiplied by square root of 3, then we get 3. So this is our second solution and this is our first solution. Students, this is our final answer. Students, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you.